This is our ninth skill, all minor 2-5-1s in 5-note mixed in both positions, A and B, or ABA and BAB. The minor 2-5-1 is a little bit different than the major 2-5-1s in that the 2 chord is not formed from the 3rd and the 7th. For example, in D minor 7th, the 2 chord of our 2-5-1 in C major, we always built those guide tones from 3 and 7. However, in the 2 half diminished chord in C minor, we're going to build it from the root on the 5th. Then we're going to stack 4ths from the C. And that's going to give us sort of a mixed modal sound for a D half diminished chord. So instead of a D minor 9, which sounds like this, the D half diminished 9 sounds like this: D, A flat, C, F, B flat. This is a sound that was popularized by McCoy Tyner in the 60s. Actually, in a way, when you look at it, it looks somewhat like a B flat 9th chord. And when you think about it, the D half diminished chord and the B flat 9th chord are very closely related, with only one note different. So, let's go ahead and look at that D half diminished 9th chord. Play the root in the 5th, and then stack 4ths from the 7th. To get to our G alt, it's the same as we played in the previous exercise, skill number 8, where you have the 7 and the 3, and then you're going to stack 4ths from the flat 5, from the flat 13. Another way to look at this, though, is that this chord gets moved up entirely by a minor 3rd. D half diminished, G alt. To go to the C minor 6-9 sound, every note in this chord goes down to its next closest neighbor in the C melodic minor scale. F to E flat, B to A, E flat to D, A flat to G, and D flat to C. You can also think of it as 3/6 of the C minor 6-9, and then a 2-5-1 from C. So altogether we get root and 5th, stacking 4ths from the 7th, 7th and 3rd, stacking 4ths from the flat 13, and then 3/6, 2-5-1. So go ahead and spend some time getting that shape together and practice it in a few different keys if you haven't already. And now we're going to go ahead and do a performance video of this 2-5-1 in all keys. We'll start with ABA. Here's my metronome again, it's 60, and we'll start at the key of C. Here goes. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay. Let's go now to the key of F minor. Remember, you build that tritone from the root of the 2 chord, and stack a 4th from the root of the key. Take that entire voicing up a minor 3rd, and take everything down 1 scale degree in the F melodic minor scale. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, B flat. Here we go. Stack that tritone. Go ahead and stack the 7th chord. Everything up a minor 3rd. And everything down 1 scale degree. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at this one more time. Okay, so we're going to go to the key of B flat, stack the tritone. Let's do it down here. C, G flat, B flat. Everything goes up a minor 3rd. And everything comes down 1 scale degree in B flat minor. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, next key, E flat minor. Build the tritone from the 2, and stack the 7ths. Everything up a minor 3rd, and everything down. 1, 2, ready, play. Next key is A flat minor. Build the tritone and the 4th, everything up a minor 3rd, and everything down 1 scale degree. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Good. Next key is C sharp minor. Build the tritone, stack the fourths, up a minor third, and down one scale degree. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, that's C sharp minor. Let's now go to F sharp minor. Build that tritone from the G sharp, stack the fourths, everything's going to go up a minor third, and then down one scale degree. Here it goes. 1, 2, ready, play. All right. Next key is B minor. Build the tritone from C sharp, stack the fourths, and go a minor third above, and down one scale degree. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. All right. Next key, E minor. Stack the tritone from the 2, build the fourths from the 1. Everything's going to go up a minor third, and then down. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. All right. Next key is A minor. Stack the fourths from the the tritone. Stack the fourths. Everything's going to go up a minor third, and then down. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay. Let's keep A minor. Next one's D minor. Build the tritone from the 2, stack the fourths. Everything's going to go up a minor third, and then down. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, that's D minor. And the last minor key, G. Build the tritone from A, build the fourths from G. Everything's going to go up everything's going to go up a minor third, and then down. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Right. So that's the 2-5-1 minor, 5-note mixed ABA. Now let's look at BAB. This one, the tritone gets inverted. So instead of being D and A flat, we're actually going to go E flat, A flat to D. And we're going to stack fourths from the 5th of the key or from the 4th of the chord. Same idea. This entire chord goes up a minor third, and then everything comes down to form a 6, 3, and then stacked fourths actually from the 5th. So you go back to the original chord again. Everything goes up a minor third, right hand comes down a minor third again, left hand goes down to be the 6th and the 3rd of the key. Okay, let's try that one in the key of C. Here we go. Build your tritone from the 5 of the half diminished chord and stack the 5th from 5 of the key. 1, 2, ready, play. Up a minor third, and down. You can also look at this chord here. It looks a lot like an F9. Sometimes people have more success thinking of it as different chords. This first chord looks like a B flat 13. This chord looks like a D flat 13. And this one looks like an F9. Whichever way you want to think of it is fine. Let's continue on to another key. So we're in the key of F now. So we're going to build our tritone from D flat. Stack those fourths from the 5th of the key. Everything goes up a minor third, and then comes down. The original voicing in the right hand, and down in the left hand. Here we go, together. 1, 2, ready, play. Next key, B flat. Go to the tritone of the 2 chord. That would be G flat. Stack 4ths from the 5th. Everything up a minor 3rd, and then everything comes down. Let's try that together in time. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay. Next key would be E flat minor. All right, so we want to go to the tritone built from the flat 5 of the 2 chord. Okay, go ahead into the 5th of the key, and there it is. Everything goes up a minor 3rd, and then everything goes back down. Let's try that together. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, E flat minor. A flat minor, 2-5-1 is B flat half diminished, E flat alt to A flat minor 6-9. So we're going to build our tritone from E, go to the 5th of the key, and stack your 4ths. Everything comes up a minor 3rd, and then everything goes down. Notice how the left hand goes down by a whole step, and the right hand comes down by a minor 3rd. Okay, interesting. Here we go in time. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, C sharp minor, D sharp, go to the tritone, which is A. Stack 4ths from the 5th of the key. Everything's going to go up a minor 3rd. Right hand comes down a minor 3rd, left hand down by a whole step. Let's try that one more time. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. One more time. 1, 2, ready, play. All right. Next key, F sharp minor. 2 is G sharp, so you go to the tritone, which is D. Stack 4ths from the 5th of the key, which is F sharp. Everything is going to go up a minor 3rd. Right hand back down a minor 3rd, left hand down a whole step. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay. B minor, 2 chord is C sharp. Build a tritone from G. 5th of the key is F sharp. Everything's going to go up a minor 3rd. Right hand comes back down the minor 3rd. Left hand goes down a whole step. 1, 2, ready, play. Next key is E. E minor, 2 chord is F sharp and C. Build the tritone. C sharp and F sharp. The 5th of the key is B. Everything is going to go up a minor 3rd. And then right hand comes back down the minor 3rd. Left hand down a whole step. Let's try that one more time. Okay, we're ready together. We're in the key of E minor. 1, 2, ready, play. I'm going to try that one more time. 1, 2, ready, play. There we go. E minor. Next key is A minor. 2 is B. Tritone would be B and F. Change it to F and B. We're going to stack 4ths from the 5th of the key, which is E. Everything's going to go up a minor 3rd. Right hand back down the minor 3rd. Left hand down a whole step. 1, 2, ready, play. A minor. Next key is D minor. 2 would be from E, go to the tritone, invert that, B flat and E. The fourths are built from the fifth of the key, which is D. Everything's going to go up a minor third. Right hand back down the minor third, left hand down a whole step. Okay, let's try that again together. 1, 2, ready, play. And our last key is G minor. The 2 chord is A. A and E flat, invert that, E flat and A. The key of G, 5 is D. Everything goes up a minor third. Right hand goes back down the minor third, left hand down a whole step. Let's try that together. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, that gets us to the end of our skill number 9, minor 2-5-1 and 5-note mix, both ABA and BAB. This is probably one of the most challenging exercises, 2-5-1s in minor keys. But keep practicing at it, work slowly at it, and you'll start to see the relationships. Good luck, and I look forward to hearing you on this skill.